The Blizzard Man, Ontario, 1983. Dale Munro was an experienced trapper from Thunder Bay. In early February 1983, he went missing during a sudden snowstorm while checking his trap lines near Lake Nipigon. After 36 hours in sub-zero temperatures, he was found huddled in a hollowed snowbank, barely conscious, frostbitten, and whispering the same phrase over and over. "Don't eat the meat. It'll smell you." When he was airlifted to safety, doctors said he'd suffered hypothermia and extreme dehydration. But Dale refused all food, especially meat. He kept muttering about a man made of smoke and bone with antlers who watched him from the tree line. According to Dale, it never moved, but it was always closer the next time he blinked. Local Ojibwe elders who heard the story warned the family quietly. Dale had survived something worse than nature, something ancient. They believed he had seen a Wendigo, the spirit that punishes those who grow desperate enough to consider cannibalism or who wander too long in the winter wild. Dale never trapped again, and he never went back to the forest.